Hello, friends. Today we will talk about slangs. Slang is the spice of any language, bringing personality, fun, and flair to conversations. Whether you're chatting with friends, scrolling through social media, or watching the latest trends unfold, these slang terms are guaranteed to level up your lingo. Second, slang is an informal, dynamic, and often playful subset of language that evolves with culture, trends, and generational shifts. It reflects how people communicate in their everyday lives, offering a glimpse into shared experiences and emotions. Unlike formal language, slang is constantly changing, driven by pop culture, social media, music, and even memes. From phrases that break language norms to creative expressions that capture feelings in one word, slang adds color and personality to conversations. It's not just about words, it's about connection and the way we adapt language to fit the moment. We will learn 20 slangs in today's episode, but before that, we should know: why are slangs important? Fosters social connection, and slang is often tied to specific groups, whether they're generational, cultural, or social. Using slang helps people feel a sense of belonging and camaraderie, bridging gaps between individuals with shared linguistic shorthand. Reflects cultural trends. Slang acts as a linguistic mirror of society, reflecting current events, attitudes, and values. It shows how people view the world around them and adapt language to express those views. Use communication relatable. Slang allows for more casual, relatable, and personal communication. It simplifies complex ideas, conveys emotions effectively, and makes conversations feel authentic. Encourages creativity in language. Slang often breaks traditional grammar and vocabulary rules, encouraging creativity in how we communicate. It turns words into tools for storytelling, humor, and emotional expression. Keeps language alive and evolving. Without slang, languages would stagnate. Slang keeps language fresh, relevant, and adaptable to new ideas and influences, ensuring it evolves with society. Incorporating slang into your daily conversations can make your language more dynamic, expressive, and fun. Whether you're learning English or are a native speaker, understanding and using slang allows you to connect with others on a deeper and more contemporary level. Okay, without further delay, let's start our slangs. Lit. Definition: something amazing, exciting, or just plain cool. Example: that concert last night was so lit. Slay. Definition: to excel or perform exceptionally well, often with style and confidence. Example: you slayed that presentation. No cap. Definition: used to emphasize that you're being truthful. No lie. Example: that pizza was the best I've ever had. No cap. Vibes. Definition: the energy or atmosphere of a person, place, or situation. Example: the party had such chill vibes last night. Mood. Definition: something relatable or a feeling you connect with deeply. Example: eating ice cream in my pajamas. Mood. Stan. Definition: a hardcore fan of someone or something. Example: I stan this artist so hard their new album is perfection. Shook. Definition: shocked or surprised by something. Example: I was shook when I saw the plot twist in that movie. Ghosted. Definition: When someone suddenly stops communicating with you without explanation. Example, he totally ghosted me after our second date. Flex. Definition, to show off, often in a slightly boastful way. Example, new car? That's a major flex. Sus. Definition, short for suspicious. Example, she's been acting so sus lately, always whispering on the phone. Bet. Definition, another way of saying okay or agreeing to something. Example, you want to meet at 6? Bet. Big yikes. Definition, a stronger version of yikes, expressing major discomfort or second-hand embarrassment. Example, he tripped in front of the whole class. Big yikes. Snack. Definition, someone attractive or good-looking. Example, did you see her new haircut? She's such a snack. Drip. Definition, refers to stylish clothing or overall swagger. Example, his outfit has so much drip I need to know where he shops. Gucci. Definition, everything is good, fine, or cool. Example, how's your new job going? It's Gucci. Savage. Definition, describes someone who's bold, unapologetic, or brutally honest. Example, she told him off in front of everyone. Total savage move. Spill the tea. Assure. Definition, to share gossip or juicy details. Example, what happened at the party last night? Spill the tea. Low-key. Definition, something understated or done subtly. Example, I'm low-key excited for the weekend. Bougie. Definition, high class, fancy, or luxurious in an over-the-top way. Example, we're getting brunch at that bougie cafe downtown. Dead. Definition, used to express that something is so funny it metaphorically killed you. Example, that meme was so hilarious I'm dead. Slang keeps conversations fresh, fun, and full of personality. Whether you're slaying at work, flexing your drip, or just vibing with friends, sprinkle these terms into your chats and watch your conversations get lit. No cap. What's your favorite slang word? Drop it in the comments below.